The power of video for public relations. Public relation has a lot to do with how your target customer base or client type see your organization. This involves things like brand recognition, reputation management, and many more. Remember that video is one of the most powerful types of marketing to connect with customer and client online today. And when it comes to improving public relation, it is a powerhouse of possibility. If the public doesn't know where to find you, you cannot improve relation in any way. Video grab more attention, it get more click, and it create a stronger personal connection. Video production boosts PR because it demonstrates a more positive type of interaction. It clearly shows your audience that you want to engage with them in a more personal way. The better the information you give to the people watching your video, the more they will engage with your idea and opinion. Good public relation for your brand will help with your brand identity and showcase what you stand for. If viewers see that you have what it takes to be an authority figure in your particular industry or niche, your brand reputation will improve. I'd like to thank our sponsor for this video, BDH Collective. If you want your creative project brought to life and managed by a collective of talented freelancers, this is the team for you. Check out BDH Collective at bdhcollective.com. Now, let's get back to the video. What do you want to show to your audience? Maybe you want to demonstrate how food is melting in your client's mouth, or how involved you are with your community, how strong is your employee, or how dedicated you are working with a charity. Video display your story more effectively and with increased emotional involvement. The more you make your audience feel, the more likely they are to engage with your services, buy your product, or get involved with the cause. To improve public relations, nothing beats video. It increases audience engagement, share valuable information, and create an emotional response. All these things work together to further your interest, no matter what industry you represent. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. If you want to check out the online workshop, you will find the link in the description below.